have same denominator. So it is very easy to compare given fraction. We have to compare only numerator here. So we know that 3 is less than 4 by 9, 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 9, and 5 by 9 is less than 6 by 9. 3 is small, 4 is small, 5 then 6. We write 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9 and 6 by 9. If you want it ascending order, you can write this. Okay? But if you want to write by descending order, you write like this. First you write 6 by 9, then 5 by 9, then 4 by 9, then 3 by 9. In ascending order, we always write smallest numbers to biggest number. And descending order, we have to write biggest number to smallest number. Okay? Second is comparing unlike fraction. To compare unlike fraction, we have two methods, cross multiplication and convert into like fraction. First we see cross multiplication. Suppose you have to compare 3 by 5 and 7 by 2. Then what we do? First we put a cross symbol between these two given fractions, 3 by 5 and 7 by 2. It means 3 by 5 को हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2 से, which is our denominator, and 7 by 2 को हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 5 से. We write here 3 by 5. Both numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 2. 3 by 2. Sorry, 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. Now second, 7 by 2. We write here 7 by 2 and we have to multiply by this denominator, which is 5. So we multiply 7 into 5 and 2 into 5. You get 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. So here we write 6 by 10 and 35 by 10, which is our fractions. So you see 6 by 10 किसके इक्वल 6 by 10 हमने फाइंड किया है 3 by 5 के. इट मीन 6 by 10 किसके इक्वल फाइंड किया 3 by 5 के. देन 7 by 2 के इक्वल हमने क्या फाइंड किया 35 by 10. So we write here 35 by 10. Now you have to compare 3 by 5 and 7 by 2. You see 3 by 5 equal 6 by 10. Now you see we have same denominator 10 and 10. So we know that 6 is small than 35. So 3 by 5 and 7 by 2. Which is greater? 7 by 2, because we have solved it and we find 35 by 10 equal of 7 by 2. So we put here this symbol. Now convert into like fraction. Here we have 5 by 6 and 2 by 3, which is unlike fraction. So we convert into like fraction. First we do LCM of the given denominators. Here we have numbers 6 and 3. We find out LCM by long division method. Start with smallest prime number, which is 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 as it is. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. So you see we get 2 and 3, which is 6. So our LCM 6 and 3 is 6. We write here 6. Okay. Now you have to divide 6 by this denominator. You get 6 1s are 6. You get 1. Now you have to multiply it with numerator. So you get 5. Then put plus sign. Now next denominator is 3. Now you have to divide 3 and 6. You get 2. Then you have to multiply with given denominator, which is 2. 2 into 2 you find 4. Okay. Now add it. 5 plus 4 you get 9 upon 6. Here we have 9 by 6. If you want to solve more it, you can divide it. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So you find 3 by 2, which is our answer.